pangangailangan kung paano pa ipalawak ang ating advokasya into complete action para mapagbigay ng sustainable livelihood sa iba't ibang komunidad all over the country. But yes, there's a program, so I must deliver a brief message. But I'm once again here in my happy place. I congratulate the DOST PTRI for giving soul, heart, and meat into the law which I authored on my first term. Although in that law, it is the DA Philfida, whose head is always changing every year. I don't know what's wrong with Philfida. I hope that you stay and work closely with the PTRI because there should not be any competition. In fact, there should be complementarity between the DA and the DOST, and in fact, Philfida and the PTRI. Yes, so I'm happy to be here and to see the work of our artisans from the barangays. And as you know very well, I really lumulusong sa barangay. I go to and we establish weaving centers in the most remote barangays, and you've been there, right? From the boondocks to the remote barangays, maski walang kalsada or walang asphalted or cemented road, meron tayo mga natural dye hubs and weaving centers. So I would want to greet my former colleague, but she's, I guess, coming later. Our dear Mayor of Makati is supposed to come. My BFF seatmate Nancy is supposed to arrive, and I think Mayor Lani is also arriving later. But once again, Dr. Julius Leaño, thank you so much, Julius, for always being there for us and making sure that the government funds allocated for PTRI are really used to promote sustainable livelihoods and to promote the use of Philippine natural resources, meaning fibers planted by our farmers in different parts of the country and used for, I hate to call it Philippine fashion, but for everyday wear, because that is the essence of the law that we have authored. Ino is supposed to be here. He's another dear friend who helps us in our advocacy for arts and culture, not as something so elitist or esoteric that cannot be understood or held, but actually on the ground, community-based arts and culture. I will not